Cool, stop. Okay, go. This is definitely your worst
one, yeah.
Yeah, you've never had this many serious faults. If I was to look at this, I'd say you're lucky your test got postponed. Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we have a mock driving test with Dylan, whose previous lesson was 3 weeks ago. That was around the time when his driving test was booked for, but a day before his actual driving test, he got an email saying his test had been rescheduled for, well, it's another couple of weeks' time from now. So we have obviously taken a break. 3 weeks is the longest time you haven't driven yet, because we were doing lessons almost every day, because I wanted to get Dylan ready in a short space of time within 24 hours of driving lessons, which we did, but unfortunately the driving test was rearranged by the DVSA. Right then, so today we're going to go straight into a mock test. Yeah, Dil? That's what we agreed, and we're going to see how much you still remember, and if there's any stuff that you have forgotten. Any questions before we start?
No, all good.
So with the faults, I will be doing a voiceover on this, okay, but if there's something that keeps reoccurring, I will point it out. Okay, so you do sort it out as well. Are you ready? Guys, any of you watching, if you're learning to drive, please make sure do two things. First one, subscribe, and the second one, download the Ultimate Driving Course app. Trust me, it's going to help you massively. Dylan used that app and it just saves a lot of time on your lessons. Dylan, move off when you're ready now.
I know Dylan's had some time off, but he should still be able to start the car. Can you work out why the car wasn't starting?
Forgot to turn our car on.
It's only been 3 weeks still, not 3 years.
Oh yeah, that's what it is. Don't feel like it's on.
And that's the end of your test. I'm going to give you another 30 seconds,
I need help.
Okay, so put the clutch down, press the brake, now press the button. You know why that wasn't happening before? Because you were putting it into first gear and then it's got to be in neutral to start, okay? Right, that was a great start,
Great start.
So just imagine you went for your test and you couldn't start your car. So we're not going to mark that one down, We'll let you off with that. Okay, so before you decide to overtake, could you see that oncoming car?
Yeah, I saw it.
Okay.
But it was like quite far, so.
And then what happened when you overtook it? What happened when you overtook the lorry?
We're a bit close to the car.
Yeah, what did that car have to do?
Stop for it.
Yeah. There were parked cars on that side of the road as well,
Yeah.
Okay, but that could be easily marked as a serious fault.
Yeah.
I'm going to mark that as a minor. Just because the car could see us in plenty of time, Okay. But if you, like, when you do decide to overtake well, excellent, slowing down. Make sure you don't slow down the oncoming vehicles, Remember who had priority there?
Them not.
Yeah.
Instead of keeping to the centre lane, Dylan has positioned to the left.
Did you notice anything with your...
Bit too close to that car.
Yeah, to the left.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go towards Warsaw now, please. Follow the sign, yeah?
When going straight ahead at a roundabout, you don't signal on the approach. The left signal is required when exiting the roundabout. Dylan signals right on the approach. His speed build-up was good throughout, just as on this carriageway. Again, Dylan signalled right when we are going straight ahead. The vehicle behind was about to overtake, but then decided to hold back after seeing our signal. That driver was expecting us to switch lanes.
If you could follow signs to Wolverhampton for me, please.
At this roundabout, I had to intervene. A quick break here, guys. For those of you that are learning to drive, make sure to download the Ultimate Driving Course app. It's basically like having me as your instructor. There's a video covering every single topic required to pass the driving test. Just watch the relevant video before each lesson and enter the car with the correct knowledge. No more wasting valuable lesson time parked up. On average, you'll save around 15 to 20 minutes per lesson, helping you learn quicker and save money on driving lessons. It's available to download on both Android and iOS. Dylan should have signalled left on the approach as we are turning left at this roundabout.
Just to let you know, after this roundabout, there's another roundabout, and the second roundabout that's coming up, we're going straight ahead.
Now Dylan attempts to enter this roundabout when it wasn't safe to do so. I had to stop him. Dylan's observations and judgment at roundabouts is normally good, so I was surprised at this fault.
Oh, stop. Got it, yeah? Oh, don't worry about the light. Towards Wolverhampton,
Straight on.
Yeah.
This roundabout he does well. He doesn't signal right this time and maintains the correct position after entering the roundabout.
That's good positioning. How when you started from the middle lane, you stuck to it, you left over to the right.
When the lights turn green, we have priority over the vehicles that are turning into the side road. Instead of making progress, Dylan hesitates and it looked as if he was going to stop.
Okay, go.
At this crossroad, he was fine and didn't hesitate.
The roundabout turn left.
He deals with this mini roundabout well, but forgets to cancel his signal. He does notice eventually.
Okay, just like this roundabout, if you could turn right and take the fourth exit for me.
This is a spiral mark roundabout. Dylan correctly approaches in the right hand lane. When he enters the roundabout, he should stick to the right hand lane, but instead moves to the middle. On this roundabout, this is okay as our right hand lane does split into 2 lanes. Now if he sticks to the lane he chooses, then it's all good. But Dylan moves over to the right hand lane and then back to the left. One thing to remember for your test, after entering a roundabout, never move from the left to the right lane. That will definitely be marked as a serious fault on the test.
Turn left, please.
This left turn was good. Dylan brings the clutch pedal up before the turn and uses the brake well to control the speed. Now I'm going to ask Dylan to do the parking on the right manoeuvre.
When it's safe to do so, park up on the right hand side of the road, please.
Dylan picks up another serious fault when parking up. I explain this fault to Dylan as soon as he parks up.
Okay. How do you think that stopping was there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it could have been a bit better.
In what way?
When you said to park on the right, I think I could have slowed down a bit more. Maybe park somewhere.
Yeah, there was a spot earlier on,
Yeah.
just before the Mini as well, yeah, okay. But it's not that even if you want to, parking here is fine as well, yeah.
Yeah.
Was there a car behind you?
Yeah.
And
Slowed it down.
As you were looking, yeah, you didn't go over, what's the speed limit on this road?
30.
Yeah, and you were doing 18. Did that car have any idea why you're doing 18?
No.
Yeah, you're holding it. What could that car done?
Overtake.
Yeah. I think another few seconds it'd probably try and or overtake it if it's safe to do so, yeah? Thinking, why are you driving so slow? You understand what I'm getting at,
Yeah.
That's why your mirrors, and like when you check those mirrors, make sure you analyse what's going on and assess, and then obviously you should have told the car what you're about to do by signalling and then start to slow down. Yeah, that's why it's really important to follow that routine that you take, yeah? Okay, right, reverse 2 columns. Just in time. That's fine though. Move off when you're ready.
At this crossroad, he makes good progress but makes another serious fault when parking up.
And park up anywhere safe on the left.
You don't have to be an expert driver to notice this fault. You should all get it.
If you have a look to the left, what's
Yeah,
it?
the bus.
There's a passenger waiting as well, yeah. Just move forward for me, please. So I can see your left signal if you're moving forward, yeah? Let's go a bit more forward. That's it, that's fine. A bit more so you don't block that driveway. That's it, that's fine. So there, you know when you parked up by the bus stop, did you realise there was a bus stop there when you were stopping?
Yeah, but I don't know why I parked there.
Yeah, then if you have realised, yeah, don't secure the car there.
Go forward.
Do your checks, cancel your signal, go forward like you did. Okay? That could be the like, obviously there's someone waiting there for the bus, means the bus is probably going to come very soon, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay? So that could easily turn into a serious fault, yeah? Okay, but all these like, some of these faults that could be 50-50, I've marked them as, I'm always going to mark them as serious, yeah? How do you think you did?
I think I was a bit rusty first lesson back after 3 weeks.
A bit rusty, yeah. I'd go as far as saying, so you didn't plan your mock test, yeah?
Yeah.
Before obviously our break, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. This is definitely your worst
Worst one, yeah.
worst mock test. Yeah, you've never had this many serious faults. It's going to quickly run through a few of them, yeah, which you probably didn't realise, which I didn't point out at the time, yeah. At the roundabout, it's going to ask you to follow signs to Warsaw. Warsaw straight ahead, yeah?
Yeah.
The second exit. So when you're approaching a roundabout and you're going straight ahead, should you put a signal on?
No, I signal right in it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Twice, not just the once. Okay? So again, those are marked as serious faults, yeah. And then we got to the roundabout where you're still following signs, well, you're following signs to Wolverhampton. First roundabout was left, then you were straight ahead. At the first roundabout, you didn't signal left. And then you tried to enter, like, there's cars, there's a big clue, there's cars next to you that weren't going, you couldn't see yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could see the one car on the inside of the roundabout. You didn't see the one on the in the outer lane.
Yeah.
Yeah, the cars were obstructing you, you just decided to go. Okay? That's where I had to
Press the brake.
yeah, use the pedals. Then that one where we moved off at the lights, we're going straight ahead, lights are green, there's a car in front of you with the signal on this way, yeah. Who's got priority there?
Us.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What were you about to do?
I was waiting for him.
Yeah?
Give him airway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So who had priority there?
Us.
That's, you should have just continued there. Okay. I was expecting you to be a bit rusty, but still better than this, yeah. On the basis of this, yeah. Obviously you're driving because you haven't been driving for 3 weeks, yeah. But if I was to look at this, I'd say you're lucky your test got postponed. I'm just messing. Yeah, you'll be like, obviously after another 1 or 2 lessons, should be back to where we left off. Yeah. Okay. That's Dylan's comeback mock test, which didn't go too well. And don't forget to like and subscribe and join us for his next mock test. We'll see you in the next video.